SAM2 is the last update from AI meta research. It can detect or segment any object in the video or in an image. It goes beyond instance segmentation, semantic segmentation, and panoptic segmentation. Moreover, it is able to do edge detection as well. You can specify your object of interest with a point or a bounding box. Prompt is a point or a bounding box. It can be more points on your object of interest. For instance, if the model is not able to detect correctly or segment your object of interest correctly, you can delete some parts that it detects wrongly and remove those parts. I provide an example to show you how it's done in a video. So let's go and see the video. I show you an example to determine the object of interest with the two interactive points. In this video, you see that we are interested in a snail, which is on the frog. So first we specify a point on the frog. The model detects the both snail and the frog. Later we add another point to a specified object of interest, and we put a point on the snail, and the model is capable of correctly determine the snail on the frog. So the whole procedure is like this: the first frog and then the snail. In addition, SAM2 can perform zero-shot tasks. It means it can segment any object that it has never seen before or it has never been turned on. In this video, I show how to use SAM2 to segment any object in a custom video. Let's go. We are going to run SAM2 on Google Colab. First, we specify the runtime. It is T4 GPU. We select it and we upload our video, which we are going to segment any object inside of it. So it's getting connected to the runtime. So we are going to wait a little bit. So now it's ready, it's getting connected. So we upload the video on the Google Colab, and then we run the first cell. In the first cell, we are going to install Ultralytics and also Pillow. Then when the video is available and getting uploaded, we are going to run the next cell, which is this one, to segment any object in the video. So I'm going to explain the code, and this is the model that we are using from SAM2, and it is capable of segmenting any object in the video. The path of the video is the name of the video is office, and the path is this one is here in the Google Colab, so it is content, and I want the output video, the name will be highlighted. SAM is the output of the video. The video that I'm interested in to apply SAM2 on it is this one. Is the office environment and two people are walking in the video. So it's SAM2 segment objects in this video. And then we are going to read the video, and then we are applying the SAM2 model on each frame of the video. Then we get the masks from the result. The result has only one lens and one element, so we specify it with 0, and we get the mask of it, and we get the data, and then we convert it to CPU memory, and then in the NumPy we convert it to NumPy array. I'm here, I specify some colors for different segments. For instance, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will iterate these colors in each segment, and it does apply these colors to that segment iteratively. And I'm going to run this to see if it gives us the correct segmentation. So since it's going to work, I'm continue explaining. Here I specify the mask color, and then here we iterate into the masks. Since there are different objects in the masks, we are going to specify them with each color that I specify with these codes here, and then I combine the image with the mask one to get the highlighted image, which is the both original image, which is the original frame from the video, and I apply the colored image, a colored frame with the segments on them, and I overlay that segments on the image, and I save the result to the video. And then when the procedure is finished, it will write the video saved successfully. So I see it's running correctly. It downloaded the SAM2 1B model, and it applies SAM2, and it detects the objects here. There are the objects here, they are shown, and the results will be available after iterating through the all frames of the video. The result is ready, and I already downloaded it from Google Colab in my local machine. So let's go, and how does it look like? As you can see, it segments everything in the video, and it segments any object in the video with different colors that I have defined in the code on Google Colab. Next, I'm going to explain about the SAM2 architecture and how it works, and about the dataset it has been trained on. So stay tuned to see it next on my YouTube channel. It will be soon uploaded. Thank you for watching.